Hi, my name's John Zaire, and I just looked at my eyes in the screen and it looks like I've been crying, but I'm not crying. It's just allergies. Um, you responded to something you saw about being an influencer in the GLP-1 and weight loss field. And I want to tell you about it. And if you're interested, I want you to contact me to set up an appointment so I can answer all your questions. But this is just a little overview so you know what I'm talking about. Everybody wants to be an influencer, right? I mean, it's the thing. Everybody wants to be an influencer and live the influencer lifestyle, work from the beach, work from hotels and exotic locations, just work from home, work part-time and make money. And I have an opportunity for you to do that, honestly and truly. You know, I'm not talking about Kim Kardashian or any of those influencers. They've got all they need. But you have an opportunity to be an influencer with a product in a niche that has been completely overlooked. So here's the deal. I'm going to give you a 1 minute biology lesson. GLP-1 is a natural substance. Your body makes it when you eat something. It produces it in your gut, transfers it to your brain. Your brain says, okay, I've eaten. I can stop eating now. Problem with GLP-1, natural GLP-1, is that it only lasts a few minutes. So before long, you start to get hungry again. The drugs, Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, tirzepatide, all that stuff, they're not GLP-1s. They're called GLP-1 agonists, receptor agonists, GLP-1RA, which means they're fake. They're not GLP-1. They're a mimic of GLP-1. When you shoot yourself with the stuff, you're not hungry for a week because that stuff gets into your brain cells and you don't eat for a week. Is it good to not eat for a week? Answer that. Of course not. Eating is a fundamental human behavior. We like to do it. People get on that stuff and they get depressed because they're not with their friends and they're not eating regularly anymore. They're not eating with their family. That's one of the side effects. There's plenty of others like pancreatitis, total breakdown of the digestive system. That's probably not a real accurate thing to say, but vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, all kinds of things happen when you use that stuff. It works. And it was first developed for people with diabetes, not diarrhea. But then they found out people lose weight. So what happens? Well, you got people like Elon Musk saying, yeah, I used it and it was a real breakthrough. It was great stuff. It's not great stuff. If it's not used properly with the proper person, with the proper physiology, it can cause horrific side effects. And um, people are using it. Some of it's made in China, some of it's made in local pharmacies. Anyways, it's a big honking deal. Those drugs did about $40 billion in sales last year. So here's what I have to offer you. A world-renowned nutritional scientist and product formulator has been working for the last 2 years to develop a natural GLP-1 activator. So it has just been released on a test basis for up to 1,000 people. We're doing a human study. And this product is completely natural. And so far, no side effects have been recorded other than some initial discomfort because you're finally getting the nutrients you need and your body adjusts to it for a few days. But people are reporting remarkable results in just a week. So the product is four different components. One of them is a protein that contains ingredients that cause the uploading of true GLP-1 into your brain for 3 to 6 or 7 hours. So it's a powder, chocolate or vanilla. You mix it with your smoothie, with water, with milk, whatever, and you drink it and you're not hungry. So people who want to lose a little bit of weight, they can use this product once a day, twice a day. You want to lose a lot of weight, take it 3 or 4 times a day. There are no overdoses. It's all natural. And no one else has this protein. I mean, no one else in the world. It's completely unique. And it's a secret formulation. It's not patented because then you got to release your secret to the world. But um, That's one of the four components. Component number two is called essential nutrients. So there's 40 essential nutrients. You got to have them or your body isn't going to function properly. You know, the reason we're all getting overweight is that nutrients have been stripped out of the food chain. I mean, this is pretty well known and it's scientifically documented that a tomato or a potato or an apple that you eat today has far fewer nutrients than it did 50 or 100 years ago because of fertilizers and genetic modifications and what they do to make it look good on the store shelf. So we eat looking for nutrients. That's why we eat. We need nutrients. And we eat, we're not getting the nutrients. And we eat, and we eat, and we eat. We're getting lots of calories that are designed to be there by big food. And those nutrients aren't there. So we get fat. Okay. This protein has, it's a perfect protein balance. It's bioavailable, meaning that your body can use it to build muscle. Second product, the essential nutrients. There are probably nutrients that you have not had in your entire life. Even if you're health conscious and you take supplements, you don't know what's in your supplements. I mean, seriously, we have lots of beliefs about our supplements, but much of it's just superstition. So the 40 essential nutrients are in a bioavailable form. It's an extremely complicated and comprehensive nutritional supplement. 30% of the weight lost by people who are using Ozempic and those drugs is muscle loss. We don't want to lose muscle, especially if you're over 30, you're already losing muscle every year. So this product is a metabolism booster and it targets fat. It also removes the waste product of burning the fat, which other fat burners do not do. The guy who formulated these products is world renowned. As I say, his last big product is called Protandim, and it is a breakthrough antioxidant product. Now, a lot has changed since he invented that 20 years ago, 21 years ago. So the science has advanced. Protandim hasn't really advanced. It's the same as it was 20 years ago, but there are better products. And they've done $3 billion in sales of Protandim. So the formulator knows how to take something from inception to the epitome of sales and marketing success. The fourth product is, it's called Biactin, and this is the secret sauce. It's a powder. You mix a scoop of the powder of the Biactin with a scoop of the protein, mix it in with whatever you're drinking, and it is the GLP-1 activator. So you're not going to starve yourself. You're going to be perfectly nourished in ways you never have been before. And another feature is that, of course, there are no needles and the stuff tastes good and it costs a fraction of what the shots cost. Now, a lot of people get their shots because of insurance. They might not always get it, but this will retail for right at around $300 for a month of all four of those products. So $300 a month instead of up to $1,200 or less. You know, if you're getting it because of insurance, then obviously you're not paying nearly as much, or maybe you're getting it for free. But we are in the midst of a human study. We started a week ago. I think it was a week ago, like last Thursday is when people started taking the product. There's going to be up to 1,000 people in this human study. And in exchange for providing their data, you know, daily results, how did you feel? Were you thinking about food less? How did you like the taste? What's your weight? How have your measurements been? So we record our data and provide them to the company. They will strip any personally identifiable information out of it so that it's completely anonymous. And then after it's processed, we will have data, hardcore data that we can post online and that we can share with our friends and contacts. And there's two companies involved here. One is Trilogy, the company that makes this product, and the distribution company is called it's not called that. It's called Nilo Life. Nilo Life is a direct sales company, and as an affiliate of the company, you'll be able to refer your friends, your followers to a personalized website that will have a knockout video and testimonials and data. And when people see you and they see that you've lost 10 or 20 or 30 pounds, they're going to say, "What did you do?" Well, it's really easy. It's been using this product called Trilogy, and here, go to my website and check it out. So they'll see videos and documents and data, and they'll be able to order the product, and the product, of course, is shipped directly to them, and you get paid a commission. So we're just starting. I mean, literally, there are fewer than 1,000 people who have tried this product right now. And the results, which you can see in the Facebook group, are off the charts. So I'm looking for some influencers. This video isn't designed to attract retail customers. It's designed to find people who want to and are able to strike while the iron is hot and who can see an opportunity unlike anything else they've ever looked at. So that's all I'm going to say. I mean, you're probably tired of listening to me now, but get in touch with me. There's a link below this video or someplace on this page, or I'll send it to you wherever. I'm not sure. You can see I'm not like polished. This isn't my strong suit. But if it's your strong suit, sharing with people and informing and helping people, because we're going to help a lot of people. Obesity and being overweight leads to heart problems, to brain problems, every problem you can think. Diabetes, it's the leading cause of these leading causes of death and disability. And we can change that. So if you're interested, get in touch with me. There's a link to my calendar so you can book time to talk with me. There's a link to the Facebook group so you can see what's going on and what kind of results people are getting and learn about the product, the ingredients, and all that stuff. But if you're ready to finally hit a home run, you'll never have a better choice than this. There's nothing like it. Nobody else has it. Everybody's going to want it. It works. And there is a lot of money to be made. So check it out. Get with me. Let's rock and roll. Let's make some money. Let's make a lot of money. And let's help a lot of people in the process. I hope to be hearing from you soon. Bye.